Introducing the new 24-volt thermostat conversion kit by CellarCool. This new option enables you to tap into industry-leading thermostat technology, allowing you to monitor and control the environment of your cellar. Speak with your local contractor or distributor about the kit during the order process. Next, purchase the smart thermostat of your choice. Finally, your installation technician will connect your CellarCool unit to the 24-volt thermostat you've selected. Modern-day thermostat technology now allows you to automate and monitor your home environment remotely from any connected mobile device. A Wi-Fi enabled thermostat permits you to monitor or control temperature, humidity, runtimes, and more. Some can even send alarms and notifications. Systems ordered with this kit will not come with the standard CellarCool controller or bottle probe.